Today, my lesson is the theory of consumer behavior. The economy consists of millions of individual economic units, and their overall impact determines the general behavior of the economy. Similarly, the market for a particular good or service has many individual buyers and sellers. Overall impact of these individual behaviors determines the demand and supply condition in the market. Condition in the market. Therefore, the behavior of an individual consumer can be used of a representative proxy of the market demand. Market demand. Before studying the consumer behavior, we have questions to answer. What makes the consumer to demand an particular good or service? The answer is the satisfaction that he could got on using it. The economic term for satisfaction is utility. Utility is the originator of consumer demand. The factors like price and income change that demand. Now, consumer behavior. Now, recall your memory of the law of demand. It says that if other factors of demand are constrained, quantity, demand, and the price are negative related. In other words, it says that the consumer is willing to pay a higher price for a similar quantity and lower price for a larger quantity. We did not answer the questions. Why does the consumer behavior like that? Utility theory, there is to answer that. Utility theory. Utility theory has to establish the demand theory used in the satisfaction or utility. Again, in the consumer process, it has two different approach to establish to the law of demand. One is the cardinal utility approach. The second one, the ordinal utility approach. The cardinal utility approach. The word cardinal means can be measured. The word cardinal means can be measured. Therefore, the approach assume that the utility can be measured. How in terms of unities called utils. That measurability in the base of this approach, there are some assumptions to this approach. First one, the utility can be measured in terms of utils. Second one, utils obtained from different goods and goods can be summed up to get consumer told total utility. Total utility. Third one, if the consumer keeps consuming a particular goods continuously, the total utility gradually decrease in rate and its highest level. Total utility starts decreasing. Fourth one, marginal utility of money is constrained. Money is constrained. We know total utility TU function quantity. The marginal utility equal delta TU total utility divide delta Q. Total utility equal function consumers consumptions units Q and mu marginal utility equal delta Q over delta TU. Okay, it is very important. Today my lesson is over.